Dr. Jaffe, can you enlighten us as to what three things can you do today to significantly help one's gut health?
You can improve your gut health through three simple steps. Number one, get a digestive transit time test. Healthy time is 12 to 18 hours. What you eat at night should come out formed in the morning. Secondly, start a detox program today. Assume you're going to be exposed to chemical toxins in the air, water, food, and soil. But the good news is that good crowds out bad. You want to put more good into the system to displace the harmful chemicals, toxins that are pervasive in our 21st century lives. For more information, look at Thriving in the 21st Century, our consumer-friendly book with specific suggestions of how to implement this approach. And number three, start taking a digestive quintet. Boost your stomach function using a digestive aid that is 3 drops in anything wet and warm to start the meal and start the digestion on a healthy track. Include L-histidine, the amino acid that is the source of the stomach proton, and stomachs need to be very acidic in order to stimulate digestion. And what comes out of the stomach should go into the intestines along with fiber, prebiotic fiber, 40 to 100 grams a day between diet and supplementation. Probiotic organisms, multi-strains of live colony-forming unit organisms, Acidophilus bifidus, and others. And most importantly, and unique to our contribution, is recycled glutamine. EnduraPack is recycled glutamine that feeds the enterocytes that line the intestine that are responsible for most of digestion. And these enterocytes are so energetic that they require glutamine as their energy source. We recycle that glutamine 10 times in the enterocytes. We never build up glutamate as an excitoneurotoxin. So you get the benefit of glutamine recycled through our digestive quintet and specifically EnduraPack Guard. Most Americans, too many Americans, have a long transit time, days long. What comes out today might have come in last Monday. And that's long enough that harmful chemicals like TMAO can form in the colon and get reabsorbed into the body. So we recommend a healthy digestion to feed both the microbiome and the metabolome. They are in constant communion, constant conversation. The nutrients that are digested properly are taken up in the body. Partially digested food remnants can become immunoreactive in the body and can burden the immune defense and repair system. So a healthy transit time is highly recommended. If you have one, you will feel and function better. And I just mentioned that less than 12 hours could be short bowel syndrome and need a restorative, reparative, rehabilitative approach to your digestion, starting with elemental nutrients that your body can assimilate rapidly. So you can assume that what we call the Goldilocks scenario, the just right scenario, is right. 12 to 18 hours for digestion to be complete and to eliminate the residues promptly. Not too long, not too short, more good, less bad. So 3 things that you can do today to start your improved digestion is a digestive transit time, a detox program, as we outline in Thriving in the 21st Century, and then our digestive quintet to jumpstart your digestion, which starts with the eyes and continues with the mouth. The saliva contains amylase and other enzymes that should be opening up the food to prepare to drop through the esophagus into the stomach where it is acidified. And that acid chyme, that product of stomach digestion, stimulates the pancreas to release digestive enzymes into the small intestine where they belong. So we want to nature, nurture, and wholeness as our guides to healthier digestion. These are 3 suggestions that you can do now and benefit from. I'm Dr. J. On behalf of Nature's Alkaline Way and Nature's Pharmacy, wanting you to read Thriving in the 21st Century, please take a look at our YouTube channel and drrusselljaffe.com, our online blogs and recipes that are healthy and will make you feel and digest even better.